wash your face.
Woo! 2 of them just swooshed past you.
Yeah, well, they're waiting. They've been sitting here. Oh, look. They've been waiting for you to turn the
Oh my god.
You have to hold it straight up, too. You're like leaning there, like. And they're like this. Rodney, don't worry. She's got you.
Look. Go right towards that light.
What the fuck?
They're coming right at you, girl.
To look at it, you wouldn't think that there's anything going on in there.
Marion, what are you doing?
When I walk into the library,
Oh.
there's other people there.
Whoa!
My library customers.
Cutting through the field. Cutting through the field.
In the middle of the bookcases, and they'll hear somebody come up behind them, and they'll move and start to turn and say, "Do I need to get out of your way?" That's my
Well, you took them all with you, Beans. They all followed you.
shelf books, and I'm trying to put the book on the
Oh,
shelf.
here they come.
Girl,
Ooh!
can I get another piece of that?